Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player. Come take a test drive today.